A very good morning, dear students. We are dealing with binomial distribution. Till now we have completed 7 problems. Okay, so now I am solving problem number 8. Okay, read the problem. In a city, 80% students are non-vegetarian. Sorry, 60% students are non-vegetarian. Means 60 are non-vegetarian. Means how much is vegetarian? Remaining 40%. Okay, so P is how much? 0.6. P denotes non-vegetarian and Q denotes vegetarian, that is 0.4. In a random sample of 6 persons, so how many persons are there? 6. So this is N. Find the probability that first one 3 are vegetarian, means X value is 3. At least one is vegetarian. Okay, so out of 6, minimum one should be vegetarian. You have to solve x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So it is very lengthy process. That's why I have given you a hint that when at least word 1 like this word will come, how you have to solve 1 minus p of 0. Okay, so shall we solve the problem? Yes, solution. First given what is there will write. Given P is equal to 60% means 60 divided by 100 is equal to 0.6. Okay, it means this P means it is non-vegetarian. Okay, means how to find Q? Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.6. So Q is equal to 0.4. Okay, so this is vegetarian. Q denotes vegetarian. Okay, then pure Q. Then write N. How much is N? N is equal to 6. Okay, so X denotes, X is a number of persons or you can write X is a binomial distribution with probability mass function. What is probability mass function? P of X is equal to Nx P raised to X Q raised to N minus X, right, where X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 6. Start from 0 and N is 6, that's why. Okay, so write the value of P and Q. So P of X is equal to N how much? 6. See X. P value is 0.6 raised to X. And here 0.4 N minus X. N is 6 minus X. Okay. Now we'll start solving the problem. Yes. First one. Probability of 3 are vegetarian. Yes, means how to solve? Probability that 3 are vegetarian means probability X is equal to 3, means you have to put X value as 3. Okay, we'll solve here. NCX. Okay, 6 C X is 3, 0.6 raised to 3 and 0.4 raised to 6 minus 3. Here we are going to put X value, right? So 6 into 5 into 4 and 3 into 2 into 1 into 0.6 raised to 3 and here 0.4 raised to 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so here 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 cancel 2 cancel. So 5 fours are 20 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6. Okay, so it comes about 0.064 into 0.4 raised to 0.4 raised to, so 0.4 raised to 3 is 0.064, whereas 0.6 raised to 3 is 0.216. So multiply 20 into 0.216 into 0.064. So answer is 0.276. So the probability of 3 are vegetarian is 0.276. Second one, what they are told, at least one is vegetarian. At least one means minimum one, maximum is 6. So it is lengthy process, that's why one hint I had told for this. Second one, probability of at least one is vegetarian. How to solve? 1 minus probability of 0. What we don't want. Okay. So solve. 1 minus p of 0 means x value is 0. Okay. 6c 0. 0.6 raised to 0 and 0.4 raised to 6 minus 0. Okay. Simplify. 1 minus 6 is 0 is 1 into 0.6 raised to 0 is 1 into 0.4 raised to 6. Okay. So 1 minus 1 into 1 into 0.4 raised to 6. 0.0466. Okay. So therefore 1 minus, here answer is 0.0466. So 1 minus 0.0466, answer is 0.9533. Okay. So this is the answer for at least one is vegetarian. Okay. Hope you understood this problem. Okay. Now one more I will take problem. Yes, here is the problem C. If the chance that a vessel ship arrives safely at port is 9 by 10, find the chance that out of 6 vessels, 6 means n, which are expected to arrive at the port, at least 5 will arrive safely. Okay, first we'll write given items, then we'll solve. Given. What is n here? As I told, n is equal to 6. P value. P means 9 by 10. 9 by 10 means 0.9. Then how to find Q? Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 0.9. So, therefore, Q is equal to 0.1. Okay. Therefore, X means what? The ship are arrived safely. Or you can write like this also. X is a binomial variable with probability mass function. Therefore, the probability mass function of binomial distribution is NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. Okay. So, we have to solve. First write this, the values of P, Q and N. N is how much? 6. 6CX. P value 0.9 raised to X and 0.1 raised to 6 minus X. Okay. This was the given part. Then, what they have told, we'll solve now. Okay. Probability that at least 5 will arrive safely. At least 5 will arrive safely. Yes, then how to solve? Now last problem, at least 1 means what I told, 1 minus P of 0. So here out of 6 ship, at least 5 will arrive safely, means 5, at least 5 will arrive, means more than 5 will arrive safely. Minimum 5 will arrive. So how to solve? P of x may be greater than or equal to 5. Okay, at least 5. So 5 and 6. So x may be P of 5 plus P of 6. Okay, means x value is 5 and x value is 6. Second method, what you can have, 1 minus P of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is lengthy process. So x is greater than or equal to 5, means 5 plus 6. Then we will solve here later. First P of 5 we have to solve. P of 5 means x value putting as 5. 6c5, 0.9 raised to 5 and 0.1 raised to 6 minus 5. Simplify. Here 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. And here 5 into 3 into, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 4 4 cancel, 5. So remains here 6. Then 0.5 raised to 5. Okay, answer is 0.5904 into 0.1 raised to 1. Here 6 minus 5 is 1. So answer is 0.1 only. So multiply 6 into 0.5904 into 0.1. So P of 5, answer x is equal to 5 is 0.3542. So here we got P of 5 answer 0.3542 plus P of 6. Now we have to remove. Okay, P of 6 is equal to 6c6, 0.9 raised to 6 and 0.1 raised to 6 minus 6. Yes, 6c6 means 1. How you have to solve? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Same here, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So all gets cancelled, it remains 1. Then 0.9 raised to 6, okay, is 0.5314. And here it 0.1 raised to 0 is nothing but 1 only. Okay, so answer is 5314 into 1. So answer is 0.5314. Okay, so P of 6 answer is 0.5314. Multiply this both, 0.3542 plus 0.534. So answer is 0.8856. The answer for the problem. Okay, so this is the problem and solution. Okay, hope you are understanding this binomial distribution. Okay, 9th problem. Next, 10th problem. Assuming that the birth to male child and birth to female child is equiprobable. Equiprobable means how many boys are born, that is male birth are born, that many female, means half, 0.5, 0.5. Find the probability that a female with 3 children has 2 or more male children. Okay, so n is 3. You have to find of 2 or more male children. Okay, first we'll solve with the given items. Okay, what is given? N, how many children are there? 3. What is the value of P? Half, that is 0.5. Equiprobable, this word is used. Then Q is 1 minus P. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 Q value. Right? Then what is X? X is number of children. Okay. Number of children, how many? 3. Okay. Therefore, the probability mass function of binomial distribution is P of x is equal to NCX, P raised to x and Q raised to n minus x. Right. Now put the value of n and p, q. Okay. Here only I write P of x is equal to n value is 3cx. P value 0.5 raised to x. Q value 0.5 raised to 3 minus x. Okay. So till now here it is given it. Then what they are given? Find probability of 2 or more male children. Okay. 2 or more male children. 2 or more means what? 2 or more. More means limit is 3. N is 3. So probability of x is greater than or equal to 2. Equal to 2 and greater than 2 means 3. Means how to solve? P of 2 plus P of 3. Okay, like last problem only. Now here we'll solve here last. P of 2. Probability x is equal to 2 is equal to. Okay, solve. NCX, that is n is how much? 3C2. 0.5 raised to 2 and 0.5 raised to 3 minus 2. Right. So 3 into 2, 2 into 1 cancel. What remains? 3. And 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25. And here 0.5 raised to 1. So 3 into 0.25 into 0.5 raised to 1 is 0.5. So answer 3 into 0.25 into 0.5 is 0.375. So answer for P of 2 is 0.375. Yes. Then solve P of 3. P of 3 means P of x is equal to 3 is equal to 3. 3C3. Put the value of x is equal to 3. 0.5 raised to 3 and 0.5 raised to 3 minus 3. Okay. 3C3 is how much? 3 into 2 into 1. Here also 3 into 2 into 1. All cancel, remains 1. Then 0.5 raised to 3 is 0.125. Okay. 0.125 into here 0.5. 3 minus 3 is 3 minus 3, 0. So here 0.5 raised to 0 is 1. So answer is 0.125. So answer for probability of 3 is 0.125. So 0.375 plus 0.125. Answer is 0.5. Okay. Hope you are understanding the problems. Okay. Practically you have to think it. So this is the 10th problem. Okay. Now one more problem we'll solve. Yes, read the problem. If on an average one sheep in every 10 sheep is sung. Okay. Out of 10, one sheep is sung. Sung means budle. Okay. Find the chance that out of 5 sheep, at least 4 will arrive. At least 4. Minimum 4. Maximum 5. Maximum is the n value. You have to see. Yes. Write given items. So what is P? On one sheep in every 10 sheep. So P value is 1 by 10. 10 मतलब 1 बुडणार. So P value is 0.1. If P value is 0.1, what is the Q value? Q is equal to 1 minus P 1 minus 0.1. So Q is equal to 0.9. Then what is N? N is equal to total number of ships. How many are there? Out of 5 ships. Okay. Then the probability mass function of binomial distribution is NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. Here P of X is equal to. Okay. Then put the value of N, P, Q. N is 5CX. P of X is equal to 5CX into P value is 0.1 raised to X and 0.9 raised to 5 minus X. Okay. Then what they are told, we will solve here. Probability of at least 4 will arrive safely. Yes, probability of at least 4. Out of 5, minimum 4 will arrive safely. Minimum 4 means X value is greater than or equal to 4. Minimum 4, maximum is N value. N value is how much? 5. So you have to solve P of 4 plus P of 5. Okay. Like this you have to solve. Okay. So leave the space here. Then we'll solve P of 4. P of X is equal to 4. Means X value we are going to put as a 4. Yes. 5 C X means 4 into 0.1 raised to 4 and 0.9 raised to 5 minus 4. Okay. 5C4. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Then 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel this. What remains? 5. Into 0.4 raised to 0.1 raised to 4. Any 1 raised to any number is 0.1 only. Okay. Then here 0.9 raised to 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. Here one change we have to make here. So here if on an average one ship out in an average 10 is sunk, means here Q value is 0.1 and P value is 0.9. Okay. So negative we have to take as a Q. Right. So here also make the changes. 0.9 raised to 4 and 0.1 raised to 1. Okay. Now solve. 5 into 0.9 raised to 4 is how much? 0.6561 into 0.1. So answer is 0.3280. Okay. Then solve. P of X is equal to 5. Yes, solve. 5C 5. Then here 0.9. P value is 0.9 raised to 5 and 0.1 raised to 5 minus 5. 5C5 is 1 into 0.9 raised to 5 is 0.59 into 0.59 into 1. So answer is 0.5905. Okay. So right here 0.4 answer 0.3280 plus X5 answer is 0.5905. So answer is 0.9186. Okay. So like this you have to solve. So in this problem Q is given, you have to find P. Okay. So this is my 11th problem. So all the problems you have to take seriously as or serially you have to write in your notebook how I am taking the numbers. Okay, hope you are understanding this binomial distribution. Still lot of problems are there to solve. Okay, if you don't understand, you can ask. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.